How do birds find their migration routes? Did you know that birds that fly thousands of kilometers in the sky never get lost? Birds use the sun, stars, and Earth's magnetic field for guidance during migration. Thanks to special cells in their eyes, they sense the magnetic field like a compass. They also remember the routes they have flown before with their memories and pass them on to new generations. In other words, the incredible navigation ability of birds is one of nature's greatest miracles. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this.